Hi guys, so from the title, you know that I'm going to prepare 4 healthy breakfast smoothies. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Please remember to tap the subscribe button as it is free. Also turn on your post notification bell so you not miss any of my upload. For the first smoothie, I am going to be using 1 tablespoon oats, 2 ripe bananas, frozen mangoes, and I'm going to be using half cup of milk. For all the smoothies, I will be using frozen fruit. I am going to be using a magic bullet, so I am going to add the fruits into it. So first I'm going to add the mango, afterwards I'm going to add the ripe bananas. For the mango, I cut them in cubes, but when I was placing them into the freezer, I did not separate them. For all the smoothies, I will be using mangoes and ripe bananas to sweeten them. They are my favorite fruits, so you can use the ripe bananas if you like, or the mangoes, or use any fruit of your choice. I'm just showing you 4 smoothies that I enjoy. Here I have frozen mango, frozen banana, and frozen carrot. I did not boil the carrots. What I did, I sliced it thinly, then I froze them. Add half cup water, or you can add orange juice. Here I have frozen mango, frozen banana, and frozen cucumber. So with the cucumber, I just cut them very thin and then I place them in the freezer. going to be using half cup of unsweetened almond milk, frozen mango, 1.5 banana, frozen banana, and some beetroot. For the beetroot, I did not boil it. What I did, I cut it into small pieces and then I froze it. So here I'm just going to add all the fruits and the almond milk into the blender. Quarter teaspoon freshly grated nutmeg. I love it in mine, but you could leave it out if you don't want to add it to yours.